four feathers on this hat are magic. They enable Tex Tucker's dog and horse to speak, and his guns to fire without him even touching them. And now, another exciting adventure from Four Feather Falls.
Canyon Railroad, foreman's office. Well, fellas, that foreman and his men sure have done a great job building this railroad right through Four Feather Falls.
You know, Tex, old boy, it's quite the most thrilling thing that I've seen in years.
Me too. I just can't wait to see the first train come through.
Well, you won't have long to wait. The railroad will be open in a few days. You know something? We're living in a mighty wonderful age.
Tell us about it, boss.
Far away in the mountains, in good old western time, they built a tiny railroad that ran down from the mine. And nowadays you'll find it a-working just the same. And the folks come from all over to see this little train. It goes choo-choo, rick-a-rackety, choo-choo, then it blows again, choo-choo. It's the funny little rick-a-rackety train. It goes puff-puff, rick-a-rackety, puff-puff, as it feels the strain, puff-puff. It's the funny little rick-a-rackety train. There's the quaintest driver you've ever seen, and they call him Railroad Jack. There's a funny old fireman getting up steam as they shuffle and shuffle along the track. It goes choo-choo, rick-a-rackety, choo-choo, right across the plain, choo-choo. It's the funny little rick-a-rackety train. The rick-a-rackety train, yes, the rick-a-rackety train.
Well, reckon we'd best be getting along. Looks like it's gonna storm.
Boss, it's storming.
Yeah. I'm listening to it. Sounds pretty bad, too. I don't hear no rain. Gee, I hope Rocky's okay.
By Jove, what a racket.
Drat the storm. I bet I know who's acting scared right now.
Oh! What darnation's going on? Oh, dear!
Oh, hey, Sheriff. Mighty good of you to come.
The least I can do. This sure is terrible.
Yeah, I can't rightly believe it. All these weeks planning and working.
Yeah. Reckon the lightning struck.
Yeah.
I'll just look around a while.
Okay.
Hey, boss, it looks terrible down there.
By Jove, I've never seen anything like it.
And I hope you never will again, Rocky. Come on, fellas. Ain't no sense in just standing looking. Hold it, fellas. Look. What do you make of this, fellas? Rope.
I say, old boy, it does look peculiar, doesn't it?
Yeah, all burnt and busted, ain't it?
So you found this little bit of rope.
Yeah, and I don't like it. Could be someone started the avalanche for a purpose.
Oh, no. See here, Sheriff. If I was you, I'd get that right out of your head.
But I'd stake that nobody ain't been on top of there for years.
Okay, so a bit of rope got buried maybe years ago and an avalanche dug it up. Nah, don't that answer your question?
Don't rightly know.
It was real smart of you, boss, to wait for the storm.
Yeah. I knew it'd come. It's the storm season hereabouts.
Yeah. Well, we're as safe as our deal with the other railroad company. The whole town's laughing at the sheriff and his bit of rope.
Oh, fine.
How long do you reckon before we wreck the track again with this here water?
Oh, I reckon about a week. And we'll let a torrent onto it.
Yeah, that'll just about finish the Canyon Railroad, huh?
Yep, and they won't keep paying for wrecks. The company we're working for buy 'em out.
Sounds like a good scheme. Hey, say, I've been checking. These rocks hide a swell.
Yeah, nice going, Hank. Yep, just about a week from now, we'll flood the track. I tell you, Sheriff, it's the forces of nature.
Then nature's playing a pretty mean trick.
Now, see here, Mr. Tucker, I got work to do. Stands to reason the avalanche weakened the earth, and the water broke through.
Okay, you stick to that.
I'm simply furious. The town's laughing at you again. Well, all except Dan Moss.
Yeah? They really believe what the foreman and Hank's been telling them, that the flooding of the track was the forces of nature. Those fellas sure are crooks.
How you gonna make folks believe you?
I don't rightly know. But maybe I will when I get an answer to the telegram I sent to the Canyon Railroad. Tags? It's here. From the Canyon Railroad? Yeah. Just as I figured. They're selling out to the Overland Railroad. Now I know that foreman and Hank are crooks. Dan? Yeah? Wire 'em back to rebuild the track. Tell 'em I got a hunch that their foreman and his whole gang are in the pay of the Overland Railroad. Okay, Takes.
Well, now, please, folks. Now the track's well and truly laid this time by the Canyon Railroad Company. Now, folks, please. This is where the train will stop, and you can all take a good look at it. All right, you get out there. Hooray!
I wonder where Tex is.
Oh, Tex, old man. Why aren't we with all the people?
I just want to make sure there ain't going to be no more dirty work going on before that train comes through.
You're positive, old boy, that it was dirty work?
No, I'm not so sure now.
Well, cheer up, old chap. At least you've saved the Canyon Railroad Company from selling out.
Yeah.
Rocky, Dusty, Tex.
Come on, Rocky, ride! Come on, ride! Get up there! Rocky, ride! Come on, ride! Stop! Quick! of you. So you figured on wrecking the track and the train this time.
We've done like you said, ain't we? Put blocks in and sheared it up. It's safe now.
Yeah? And the train can go on?
Sure it can. But first, I'll get my men out of there.
Not so fast. It's safe, huh?
Sure it is.
Well, you stay in there with your men while the train goes over.
Now listen, you.
I said get in there. Speech? Speech!
Yeah, come on, let's have a speech.
Speech.
Come on, George.
Speech!
Come on.
Well, folks, I ain't much of a hand at speechifying, but I guess we've all learned something this day, that no good ever did come out of dishonest work.
Yeah, right. Yeah, sure right, George.
The trouble's all over, folks, and those who cause it'll get a fair trial. So let's remember this as a proud day, a day of great achievement. I'll ask for 3 cheers for the Canyon Railroad.
And 3 cheers for Tex. Hip, hip, hip.
Oh, Two-Gun Tex of Texas is a guy with the straightest deal. But he keeps the law with the fastest draw and a nervous, strongest deal. Oh, Two-Gun Tex of Texas will never let you down. But play it bad and he'll get mad, so cover your tracks from Two-Gun Tex, the smartest guy in town. The smartest guy in town.
The fourth